I forgot, we have to explain what's going on. The neighbors are having a tree cut down, and for some reason, the people cutting down the trees are using the driveway here, storing the chopped tree in the driveway, driving their Bobcat through the driveway, and then telling us where to park.
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They wanted some fucking free firewood.
No, they didn't ask us nothing. They just trying to tell us what to do. We don't get down like that. It's unforgivable.
Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
Alright, so anyways. Nailed it.
Yeah.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the coolant ball out so we can get to all these bolts down here. Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
right.
Lord. Alright.
Alright. Yo, speaking of coolant ball.
Action.
Y'all ever seen this one?
So we took the coolant ball. What is this?
I don't know. Side distraction. No.
Nick with the dad jokes already. He's got something to tell us. Alright, so we remove this ball. We gotta pull this bolt out. Oh, shit. And there's two right here. There's two more right here. So we're taking this one off. I don't know if it matters what order we do it in, but that's the order I'm doing it in, okay? Okay?
Why am I letting this guy wrench on my car?
Oh. Stupid and desperate. It was too loose, right?
Yep.
What the fuck? This is a 16. Oh, and it fits. That was my first guess, man. I should have brought that shit. Oh, dude. Come on up out of there. It's stuck on a coolant hose.
You got it?
Nah, I mean.
Yeah.
Oh,
hey.
That shit's hot.
You hear that? No noise.
Dude.
I know.
I did not notice. I bet the viewers did that.
I know where I'm getting one from.
Alright, that's the engine mount. Yeah, so this is the stock one. Get the fuck out of the shot. I told you, I need security, man. Oh, boy.
And that's stock.
That's the stock one with only 8,000 miles. Get your flex on.
Oh, bullshit.
Dude, I'm almost going to pull this out. You know it comes out. Oh, wait, this is the shit with the grease, right? Ooh.
Yeah.
Let me not do that.
That's right.
Alright, fuck you. And then this is the aftermarket one.
My 034 John in there?
No.
Alright. Look at that. Little play.
I should be like,
Right?
alright. Let's fucking put it back.
Alright, mate. Alright. So, what? They repeat the same process?
Yeah. We're going to
Put it
have
back
a
in?
slight issue because the engine's so far back.
Mm-hmm.
But,
Don't worry about it. I got my hand up.
alright.
Looks like you got lower.
It is lower.
Alright.
So I was saying, like, raise this as high as you can get it.
Alright. We'll be back.
I know.
Okay. Alright, we just finished up. Installed that bad boy right there. As you can see the label that they etched in there. It's all done.
You just returned from the
Alright, now we're gonna do this side. We're gonna pick the car up. So
We're going to lift the car up so we can put the jack under the trans.
Alright, you heard the man.
And you're going to start by taking off the battery and the airbox.
Alright.
I mean, after you...
Be back. Stay tuned.
Alright, guys. So we just got the engine back in. We're going to get a bit of test fire. Come on, man. It's low on spark and fuel, man.
Adjust the timing a bit.
Dude, I gotta see if a spark plug is loose or something.
Oh,
dude, this shit's knocking already. Hold this shit. shit! What up, guys? It's run by 1 Jew power. You must have all my shit, Nick. Alright, so what are we doing, Richard?
Doing the trans.
What are we doing, Richard?
We're doing the goddamn trans mount.
We're picking up from
Trans.
what was it? That was 2 days ago.
Oh, we had fun with a ball joint on a Mark.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That took all of our energy and effort. So we're doing the, you know, in the last clip you saw, we did the engine side. Now we are doing the trans side, and then after that we'll do the dog bone. All right, so we pulled the ECU out of the little cage, pulled the cage of the ECU off, popped this harness loom up, and then we have to get to these 2 bolts, and these 3 bolts. But first we got to jack up the car. All right, so now we're gonna put the transmission under the God damn it! We're gonna put the jack under the transmission to support the weight, and then we're gonna remove the bolts up here.
Action!
Oh my god, dude, that fucking hurt my ear for real. So we removed the bolts back here. They're under this wire loom. We got to pull up one, and then pull these 18s out. Back here there's 16s. These are 18s. The transmission mount is out, and let's see if we can get a comparison. All right, let's see what we got here. Same, but different, but still same. All right, let's see. It's kind of hard to do because it's like not flat on the bottom like the.
Yeah, that's really let me hold it, and then
pull this one. Hold this one. That's too loose.
Yeah, but y'all get the idea. I mean, idea.
Idea. I have no idea. You know what you call a blind deer?
What?
I have no idea. Scare me. Watch the transmission get pulled up by a bolt. Oh, it's pretty much all the way up though.
Yeah.
It's doing it a little. Like, you're gonna fucking rip the threads off, bro!
As long as it doesn't have resistance, it's good.
Viva la resistance.
All right. He's putting in that last bolt, and then we're gonna torque it down and send it.
Send it.
All right.
Now we gotta do the dog bone.
True. All right, we'll check back in.
Alright, so we put the trans mount in. We're gonna button all this up and hit up the dog bone. Alright, Richard, so the first thing we're gonna do, what's funny? What the fuck is funny?
Music was playing while you were talking.
No, I know. I was trying to
pick it up.
I was trying to show Bad Bunny we was down, bro. Bad Bunny, give us some free tickets, bro. The center dog bone bolt is 21. And it needs to be a thin walled one. Otherwise, you won't be able to put the 034 mount in. You know where you're at there, boy? You're in the jungle, baby. Yeah. That 650 torque pounds of nut busting. Bust nuts. Look, if you didn't have that other piece, we would be done now. You just throw that other piece in and whoosh.
Yeah, I don't know how or what was I thinking, but I forgot to bring the parts. Can you help me out?
You're lying. That shit's in your car.
No, I'm talking about the parts in the box.
Oh. You're fucking retarded if you left that shit at home.
No. I'd take these off too?
Yeah. One's a 15 and a 16.
They look the same here.
Okay, well, they're the same then.
Which one should I do first?
I don't care. Ain't my shit.
You always say that.
It doesn't matter.
Until it's your shit.
I say that about my shit too. Oh my god, I would not have done that first.
What? Shut the fuck up, you fucking dick. There's no resistance anyways.
Viva la resistance. Make sure you know which one they are because they're different lengths.
The long one goes in the middle.
You almost died.
Yeah, almost got it.
So the mount goes in like that. That's the new 034. I don't know what you call it. Mount. Yo, put that shit in there.
So
Shit hurts my neck and my shoulder.
push back in.
Your neck, your back, your pussy, and your crack.
You should have lubed it up, boy. Put some
Alright, give me the goddamn
grease.
fucking lithium grease.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my freaking god, dude. Hey, Nick, find the white lithium grease.
You say something.
Find the what now?
Where's your playing with this toothpaste over here? Jesus Christ on a stick.
Right?
Right then, cheerio, chap.
Not really.
Naturally. Or in German, natürlich. Squeeze it in there, boy. Probably gonna have to get the jack for real.
Why?
Because it looks pretty tight. Looks pretty tight there, tiger. Tight like a tiger. There's a big brown.
Woo!
Oh, did it just like slip right in?
Yeah, but I think I still need to go up, right?
Yeah, but that probably will do when the other mount goes in. I would think, right?
God damn it. That's just a bitch.
Dude, I'm telling you, just try and see if the other mount will push it in now.
Alright, I need Nick, can you give me a rag? And
Excuse me, sir.
it'll have to be super clean. The one up.
No, that shit's keeping
Oh
my...
yeah, that keeps the hood. Yeah.
I don't want my hood to close.
Is it?
Alright, push it, Poppy. There you go, like butter. Alright, put these two front ones in first. Well, there's no tension on them. Make sure you move the mount however you need it, because you will strip those. This is why you need a thin-walled 21 millimeter. Because once that bolts in, you have no room to get a impact socket in there.
Yep. You're not lying.
Is it good, or does the engine have to rock back some?
Yeah, it's tight.
Nick, can you do me a flavor?
Hold on. Watch
All
out.
around for something.
No, I'm...
There you go. There you go. I got it.
You got it? Car in the ground instead of what you were actually working on. No, you will not. All right, the dog bone's in. I don't care. We don't need to torque it down into the video. We will torque it down with the torque wrench because Richard wants to be professional. He forgot we were YouTube mechanics, not mechanics.
Mickey Mouse mechanic.
Yeah, we're Mickey Mouse mechanics. We
Well,
don't torque anything down.
I'm not a triple.
just
I mean,
do-
I'm not a double M.
Yo, you know how my torque stick reads? It's in German. It says Guten Tag. Fuck it. Can't crack my neck.
Break it on video.
It's already been broke once. So, Richard's tightening up the dog bone. We're going to put the battery back in, the intake back in. Then we're going to give it a test drive and see how the new mounts are.
He's using the quietest tool.
We'll check back in. We'll check back in when we're backing it out. So we installed engine mounts on Richard's car, and look at what the hell happened when he steps on it. What the fuck? It's like a Bic lighter or some shit. Dude, you got that Fast and Furious mod, bro. Dude, I think you're... That's crazy. Oh, what the hell? Alright, you have to excuse my voice. I'm not feeling well. But... we're about to do a reaction to the engine mount install. See any vibrations or how Richard likes them. So I guess let's start rolling. The vibration's not bad. There's a little, but just a wee bit.
This makes it feel more like a race car.
Yeah, bruh. Whoa, she gangsta. Oh yeah, Now I'm trying to remember what mine feel like.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
I don't remember. I got so used to mine
I
that.
remember like when you called me like, bro, come help me.
Oh yeah, dude, I was in trouble trying to put that engine back to the spot with the bolts by myself. Jack was slipping and everything. And my driveway's a slight incline, very slight incline. So how you like them so far?
Feels good. Feels real good. Like cars, feels like it's more, especially around the corners too, like hitting turns and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking. But the rear end now, I feel like I have to brace that
You
up.
need like the sway bar and stuff. So like 10 out of 10, you would recommend them?
Yeah.
You can feel like the
hear the
torque is
backfire?
going. Yeah. You can feel the torque is like going like straight to the wheels.
Yeah.
So engine mounts is something I do on every car.
It's a must.
That I plan on modifying because it just changes the entire feel of the car. But
Definitely a must. I really do like these density line motor mounts from 035.
And I feel like he has slightly less vibration because they're like designed to not vibrate as bad, right?
Yeah. So it's not like, it's more like a street slash, what they call it?
Not aggressive.
Not aggressive, as aggressive. Would that be considered like a stage one?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I would think so. Well, that's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.